Hello, welcome to my channel. This week we are going to learn how to do a double crochet. You chain 2 and you turn your work, you yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, so now you've got 3 loops on your hook, but we're going to pull through just the first 2 loops. So now you have 2 loops left on your hook. You pull through those 2 loops. Hey, just a quick reminder, please give this video a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to use any of the items that I'm using, check out the links below. So if you watched my last video, we learned how to do a half double crochet, and I just picked right up where we left off. We did 2 chains at the beginning of this video and just went right into double crochet. Let me explain again. So we yarn over, you insert your hook, you pull a loop up, so now you have 3 loops on your hook. You yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through another 2 loops, and you're done. And then you yarn over, insert your hook, and do it all over again. Another way you can think of this is when you are pulling through the 2 loops together at a time. It's a double crochet, so you're doing it twice, and you're pulling through 2 loops. So it's 2 and 2. Or the buddy system, maybe? I don't know. Just trying to think of ways that'll make it easier for you to remember. Pull through 2, pull through 2. That's your double crochet. So now you're on your last loop of this row. So we're going to do just a normal double crochet like we've been doing. Pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so now that we're done with this row, this is what this row should look like. You should have these nice, long, tall columns for stitches for double crochet. So now we're going to chain 2, and we're going to turn our work and go back down the other way. So yarn over, insert your hook into that first stitch, pull up a loop, so you've got 3, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. I'm just going to show you a few more, and then I'm going to skip to the end of this row. And then I am going to speed the video up and do 1 more row so you can see what 3 rows going down, back, and down again looks like. Okay, so this is the end of the 3rd row. Again, this whole piece was single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. So right here between my thumb and my pointer finger, those are the 3 rows of double crochet. Down one side, back, and then back down the other side. So the double crochet is going to be your tallest stitch of the 3. And this is the whole piece. I hope you enjoyed these last 3 videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening.